What's up, good looking? Welcome to this episode of Learn While Laughing. I'm Katie LaPlante, and today we're going to create a QR code from a specific point on a website using Microsoft Word, version 13 or higher. QR codes are incredibly versatile and can be used for branding awareness, sales, marketing, sharing informational content, or even as a digital business card on the go. This step-by-step guide will make the process easy and quick, so let's dive right in. Step 1 and 2. Highlight specific text from the desired area on the website. Right-click and select Copy Link to highlight. Step 3. Open a new Microsoft Word document. Step 4. Under the Home tab, find and select Add-ins. Note: the add-in we are looking for auto-populates in my add-ins because I use it frequently. You might need to search for it. Here's how. In the search bar, type in QR and select the one that looks like this. Step 5. Select here for what your website browser begins with, like https://. Step 6. Now paste the previously copied highlight into this next field. Make sure to remove the beginning. Step 7. Enhance error correction to high and increase the size for best quality. Step 8. Select Insert. Step 9. Right-click on the QR code and select Save as Picture and save where you'd like as a PNG file. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about our process, or if there are other topics you'd like us to break down to help you in your home and office work, please feel free to email us at katie@laplanteapothecary.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy QR coding!